Hello, cultivators. Hey there, it's Angeline here. Today we're going to be checking in on our indoor garden, our outdoor garden, our GreenStalk. We're going to be watering, just doing some general upkeep. So join in. I got some plants to harvest that we're not harvesting. We got some spraying to do, but we'll get to that on another video because I'm going to have to give these plants a little rinse. We're going to put some plants in here to live their best life and flourish. We got some new growth going on here. We're going to be doing some gardening. Well, today's a good day to garden, so let's get started. Be adding water to this tank. So this is how we water these plants. I forgot to get my little cloth I use to wipe it up. Anyways, we have this little opening here. Yeah, the water. Flourishing. We add our food. I've added 2 gallons of water, so I'm going to add 2 spoons of food. Just 1, 2 spoons of boost, which helps keep the inside and the roots clean. So we got 1, 2. I got some babies here. We're going to get those taken care of also. But let's go welcome our gardener. Come on. Come on. We got gardener waking up early to join us. Same thing here. So we have this. Yeah, we got some lettuce forming. I'm going to put them in to grow. The flashy lettuce, because it is mature. It's 2 of them in there, and the kale. I'm going to put the kale in. The kale, let me take the cover off. The kale is at a place where it needs thinning, but as you can see, they're drying very easily, and that's because they need some food. So sometimes I put them in the garden. Once they're mature enough to go in the garden, I put them in the garden as they grow, and then take them back out to take outside, because some of these do need to go outside. So such as the kale. The kale we're not going to grow inside at all. I'm going to grow that outside, and the tatsu is also going in our GreenStalk outside. So we're going to take these GreenStalks outside. I want them to grow just a little bit bigger, so I'm going to put them into any empty spaces. The other garden over there has a lot of empty spaces. Well, there's some here too. I'm going to put these into some empty spaces and let them get caught up with their growth, and then take them outside. But first, we're here to water. Hi. You don't have to whisper anymore. She can come help us now that she's awake. But, all right, we're going to get our vitamins. She's ready for vitamins. That's what we're doing when she gets up. Usually she gets up a lot later in the morning. So we got our kale in here. Just going to let our kale just stay in there to get watered. And then the other thing that we're going to put in is the tatsu, the red tatsu. Put it on this side, down here. I'm not picking specific places for these plants because they're not staying here for the long run. They are going outside. They're just living here to, get their feet wet and get things started. So this is just a holding place for them for now, because both the red tatsu and some of the other plants, that arugula, are going to be going outside to our outside GreenStalk. This is our seeds that came in. Let me open the box of our seeds, and let's see what we got. Make sure what we got is what we ordered. It usually is. So they come in. This is one of the ones I want to put, the yellow Swiss chard. We got some sage. We got a little more stevia. Got some savory chard. Oops, I don't want the box to drop. So we got we got some more onions, which I like. We got another yellow Swiss chard, which is what we're going to grow here. And we got butter crunch. So these Swiss chards are gonna go outside. One is gonna stay in, but I'm gonna have the other one grow. Our seedlings. This is the second set of seedlings. These seedlings are planted about a week and a half ago. There are some. These really tall ones are bok choy. Boy, they're growing like and then we have some butter crunch lettuce, and then we have some onions. Can't remember what the other thing was that I put in there. It could be arugula, but the bok choy is also going to be growing outside in our GreenStalk and in between some of our plants. So let's get our leany ready, and then we have another bowl like this with cabbage that's outside already, ready to go in the ground. So that's what we're going to do next. Come, pants. On this side, okay, we have some little beginnings. Something taking little snips in the fall, but that's why we transplant quite a few plants. Our bowl, everybody's growing up, so we got to get them in the ground quickly. So I will shuffle. So I've still been keeping them in groups. They could get separated a little further along, but I've been keeping them in groups. And then I initially put them in. We're going to put some in right now. A little group. Right here, these look nice and mature. I don't even know where they're originating from.
Mom.
Yes.
Hey.
We're just going to scoop them out. There we go. We got a little group of 3 here. This is good. I've been keeping them in close proximity with each other. So we got a little group out here. We got one. We try to save a lot of them, so we try to keep it down to a couple. They're very close together. Yeah, and untangle them a little. There we go. There we go. 1, 2. We're gonna get this group separate. We're gonna keep this group here together. There we go. We got quite a few of them. They're very leggy. There we go. Give them some soil. Stand up with. Get them up to their neck. This is to help them with their the thinness. This helps them. With their thinness. So we got them a little out of their thinness. I think we're gonna put some in the middle. She picked another spot over here. Oh, don't step on them either. Oh, thank you. She got a spot right here. Come on. No. Continue. Here. To get bigger, we're gonna spread them out more. But since they're so small still, I'm letting them kind of stay together in little small groups. And as they grow larger, then we'll spread them out a little more to their final places. So these just got their true leaves. And as you can see, these that were in the bucket did a lot better than the ones that were just out there. And they were smaller than the ones that are out there. So growing them together in groups. And we only have a few in here. We have a few left. You guys can see. We're going to put those in our GreenStalk. These are enough. We're going to be spreading them out. But, all right, we're out here. Just take a look what we got going on here. our inside area. We have some, I can definitely see some carbonaras starting their life journey. There's some carbonaras coming out. This is the pepper that I really like. Got a lot of leaves flourishing. Our plants are looking pretty good. Very green. I added some food the other day because it was so much. We can't have it laying down here. We gotta have you sitting up. Can't leave it laying down on other soil. It is, as you've seen, the weather is pretty warm sometime in the day, not the whole day. So we got more peppers growing here. We gotta harvest these more. So we got some arugula and lettuce. Our ginger is doing okay. So it gets really cold at night. I'm thinking that I might bring it in at night and bring it out in the day because it does get below their growing temperature at night, but then it gets warm in the day. So I think we're gonna have to start bringing our ginger in and out and putting it inside. You can see our peppers are doing very good. We have our sorrel plants growing very large, ready for juice. Hibiscus is opening and closing. So we got quite a good amount of sorrel here. This plant needs to be potted up. It's a tree, but it's a very young tree. It is in its early stages. Our sorrel plant also fell over. Look at the wind. We have some animals having a good time. Give it a little water while I'm here. But our GreenStalk, we have our new plants that we planted the other day. Still here to the top. As you can see, a lot of our seeds that we planted are starting to come out now. Starting to grow. Our rice is produced. Some of the rice is produced, but not all of them. We got all those little baby plants that we either put seed or transplanted out are developing. So we got them developing here. Our lettuce is growing here. We got little plants growing there. All right, so our lemon tree smells really good. And it is flowering. We're waiting to see our lemons. Got little lemon buds there. So our lemon tree is flowering. Our orange, I think it got kind of cold too quick. It's turning a little yellow. It's under some type of stress. We're not sure what it is. Avocado tree doing phenomenal. New leaves. They are nice. Our key lime is over there. The key lime tree is, there's some yellow, there's some not. Yeah, I forgot what's going on with this tree. Maybe it needs a snack. I don't think there's anything that should be stressing it. So maybe it's a snack it needs. We did add some food the other day. So I'm gonna give it a little water and let the food kind of soak in. Let's add give it our little spritzes here for our plants. Just a little light dusting, nothing too heavy. We're not trying to, we're just giving it a little moisture as the roots grow to the other side. So just adding a little moisture on the top because they are seedlings. Oops, that's a little tight on the squeeze. They are seedlings, so we're just getting them the water that they need. All right, so let's give this one a watering because we did mix in the food. So let's see if we get some water to get the food. And it didn't rain. Must say it didn't rain too much. It didn't rain at all this week.
No.
That one got watered from there.
No.
What do you mean no? This one is our thing plant. Let's go get our cabbage and our mustards and get them planted. So we're gonna use our spoon because, and this soil is very moist. It got pre-watered. We're gonna put them in. I want them to be deeper because they are very langy, and that's how we stop them from being so langy. We plant them deeper into the soil. And we bury the thin necks that are sticking out.
Like that.
kind of like with the potatoes when you soil them up. So there we go. We are having these all the way up to their necks. Only their necks are going to stick up. This soil also has food in it as well. I don't have to. Let's turn this.
What is it?
Again, we're taking them out. Nice, deeply rooted one. Putting it up to the neck. You know, people say, I had it up to my neck in this. Yep, you guys are going up to your necks. So I wonder what happens when one of these stayed in this pot. But I think this pot is too small for one of these plants. Then again, the garden inside, it grows in there. I'm just gonna put these in. I usually use these pots for bringing things inside and or starting seedlings. As you saw, there's another set of starting seedlings. Yeah, oh, nothing. Another set. Succulents. This soil is very much ready. It's very nutrient. I'm just going to put these here and then use the soil that's in there. Have them hang out the edge. And then use the soil that's in here to cover them. So there's not too much disturbance. And in here, I can use some extra soil. There we go. So everybody's getting their nutrient-rich soil. And they're up to the level and the light. And we got two more right here.
What's that?
Same thing. The last two. Now, because I planted these from seeds, I've seen these plants growing pretty late. I won't be surprised if at some point other plants grow out of here. Here we go. We got some other ones that we just found a second ago. All right, we're going inside. We're going inside. We have some. See, we have some sprouts inside of this bucket here that we're sprouting. They're just in here sprouting. So we're just gonna let them grow out. There we go. And continue their journey. All right, so that is all of our cabbage. Got some nice rich soil in here, your nutrient soil. Probably add it to another plant. That's our cabbage, our mustards. It's all in here. All right. We got water already. Yes, that's a ball. All right. Thank you very much for joining. To Angelina and the team. We've been updating our GreenStalks. Getting ready to eat some nice habaneros. They're growing in. Oh, we got a lot of green ones on there so far. So excited. All right. Well, thank you very much for joining. It's been Angelina and the team. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, remember to join the Cultivators at patreon.com/AngelinVerdon for live videos, one-on-one one-on-one coaching for gardening. And also, please remember to visit our website for more information. We have our blog with more information on the garden and plants and items we use. We also have $100 off in the description box below for your own garden. And remember to stay green always, and we will see you guys next time. Bye for now.
Bye. Bye.